case number 1, past. Okay, so the verb you, as I said, is padna. For the form that you have is pada for masculine singular, padi for feminine singular, and what do you think masculine plural would be? Pade, right? Okay, pada, you have a padi. Okay, what do you think would be the feminine plural would be? Yeah, so it's the same thing, but will be the nasalized sound, padi. Okay, so to wait in Hindi is, okay, intezar karna. Okay, you want to say I had to wait. मुझे इंतजार करना पड़ा. You had to make a phone call, right? And the word here is not really it's a made up word, phone karna, which is basically to make a phone call. So you can say, you want to say that I had to call the police. मुझे फोन करना पड़ा और मुझे पुलिस को फोन करना पड़ा. You had to listen to everyone. मुझे सबकी बात सुन, the verb is बात सुनना. Okay, मुझे सबकी बात सुननी पड़ी. Right, बात is masculine, feminine, बात सुननी पड़ी. Yeah. However, if you have to put को next to it, what do you think will happen? Like मुझे सबकी बात को सुनना पड़ा. I did the masculine singular one, will do some feminine also. They had to take medicine. Very good. उन्हें दवा लेनी पड़ी. Either that, if you want to do it literally, वो plus को becomes उन लोगों को दवा लेनी पड़ी. Only put लोगों को. This is को is really the subject को. If you put को here, उन लोगों को दवा को लेना पड़ा. You had to ask for help. No, you're right. You're on the right track. The only thing is, to do help is मदद करना. To seek help is either मदद मांगना or लेना. So मुझे मदद मांगनी पड़ी. Okay. Okay. You had to clean. सफाई करनी पड़ी. Right? Beautiful. सफाई करनी पड़ी. They had to wear the uniform. Yeah, very much right. I mean, so उन्हें uniform पहननी पड़ी. We'll do plural now. Okay, both masculine plural and feminine plural. So पढ़े और पढ़ी with the nasalized sound. Okay, I had to fill the forms. Beautiful. मुझे forms भरने पड़े. Okay. For those of you who are wondering what is the word for forms, you can say dastaवेज, which is the Urdu word, but you can say that. मुझे forms भरने पड़े. I had to return the books. वापस करनी पड़ी. And the verb is to return is लौटाना. Beautiful. To return is लौटाना, right? So what she did was और वापस करना. So initially, I think Sheila ji, just for the benefit of all the beginners and intermediate, initially she was thinking about she was going to use this word, but then in between she switched to, because she was probably not, she knew that there's a word called kitabe lautana, but it was probably missing, so she was like wapas karna is also a closer word, right? So she came here, so karna becomes karni, because books feminine plural, so kitabe wapas karni padi. Right, so I had to turn off the video. There you go. मुझे video बंद करना पड़ा, turn off करना पड़ा. Right? Any questions so far? I know we are slightly behind time. I thought I'll do all of it. I'll do the present as well as the future one, but maybe I'll do it in the next class.